used to play that game, yeah. First, you have to stuff one juice box with newspaper. At this, our ball. For play dandy shandy, two people have to stand facing each other at least 12 feet apart, while one of them have the ball. You need 3 people to play that game, yeah. The third one in the middle have to go run, move fast, and sight the ball. For the other person who catch the ball, I go fling it hard. The ball I go sting you if it hit you. That's why you have to sight the ball, because you don't want to feel that sting there. Every cock up is a 10. When you sight the ball, a 1. Every time you do this, you get to play again. Watch with the ball. If them lick you, you're dead. Them next. For cock up, make the ball go through between your legs. Jump into the sky as high as you can and spread your legs wide as far as you can. You can do this with your body twist to the side. You have to know how to pop style. Into the sky, make the bar go straight between your legs. That a cock up, it make you feel like you fly. Dandy Shandy is a picnic game. This a game here for the girls them. You might see one boy, but never just boys. The fun with this a game here is when you don't have to work hard a throw ball. This a game here have you moving fast. Every time you turn, you have to sight the moving ball. The ball a move fast, because if the ball lick you, you're dead. The end. Dandy Shandy.